Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Diane and I hope you're all okay. So let's get to it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Diane. Let's get to it. So today we're doing an unboxing, unbagging, whichever, from Beebeecraft. They do a fantastic YouTube program where if you've got a minimum of 100 subscribers, you can join their program, sign up with them, and they will send you products to test for free and to work with on your channel. And so there's lots to choose from. There's molds, there's beading things, there's tools, everything to do, lots of different things to do with crafting. So these are what I've chosen this time round. So let's have a look at what we got. I'll move this down there because it's a big bag. So first off, my nose is running. Oh, crumbs. Right, first off, I need to learn to read and get a tape measure and actually check things, because look at the size of this thing. It's huge. I vaguely remember having an idea of what I wanted to do with something this big, but my big brain, P, didn't want me to remember again. Now I've got it, but I'm sure it'll come back to me. But this is a really good, sturdy, square mould. Let me just get it out for you. Oh, big bag. Let me take it out of this wrapper. Rustle, rustle. Shame it's not Russell Crowe. Oh, grief. Right, bear with me. I'm going to unwrap this off camera. Certainly wouldn't want to do that on an ASMR channel because that would just drive me insane. But anyway, right, it's a big square mould. Again, like a lot of these moulds, they're not really made for resin. I'm pretty sure this is probably made for cake making originally. It's a little bit bowed that side. Doesn't seem to want to sit up, but I'll just wedge something against the sides or make a little frame throughout the side of it to make it stand up straight. But besides that, it's got these little legs on the side. It seems like a pretty decent mould. I'm going to have to wedge the sides up a little bit, as they do seem to be wanting to bow out, and that's not with nothing in it, but that's fine. These markings, I'm assuming, would be where you'd, for like cutting out cake. So yeah, it's for cake making, but I don't care. I just wanted a big square mould for something, but I can't remember what again. But there we go. So that's that one. Happy with that. Has a little hangy. Oh, just had to do that. That's just waiting to happen, wasn't it? But anyway, there we go. Right, so that's one. I'm not going to put it back in the bag yet. Next up, we have a set of 5 of these. This is fantastic in the fact that they never come with enough noughts and crosses. So my idea was, again, the noise. Wait a minute. Pull one from the middle. Oh no, it's pulled 2 from the middle. Okay, so we've got 2. We've got 2 out, and then there's 3 more in there. So it comes as 5, like I say. But if you're in a hurry, or if you want to... Let me put that there a minute. Stop. If you're in a hurry and you want to make all of the noughts and crosses up, but you only want one game board, you can't do it other than polyurethane, and not everybody wants to use polyurethane. If you can't get hold of the clear, which is a little bit harder to get hold of, then you're stuck with either black or the creamy white coloured one, which can't always take the colour. You can't, obviously the black's not going to take any colour apart from putting it in the mould first. But anyway, my point is, if you want to make more, then you can't. If you just get that, then you're stuck with just making 2 of each at the time. And I'm pretty sure you need, how many do you need? Is it 5 of each? Yeah, you'd need 5 of each to play the game. So what's great is the fact that you've got, that makes up almost the whole board, and then you've got another 3 there, so you could literally make, oh, words just escaping me again, guys. Basically you can make them all up with just 3 molds. You can build the board, do the with 3 molds, just all the letters in the noughts and crosses in one go. And yeah, that's I like that idea. And then you've got these spare, and then a couple of extra spare molds as well. Or even if you've got a crafty friend and you're feeling generous, give one to your friend. But that's those. Next up, another practical thing. It comes as a set of 3 pairs, which are 1, 2, 3, and I'll just open the one. She says, so it comes 2 pieces to each pair set, obviously. These are great for, say, if you're making a plaque or something flat, just that you don't necessarily want to hang on the wall. These would be great for just like doing things like that. So yeah, sometimes you're going to want more than one. So like I say, it comes in handy that it comes in a set of 3 pairs, so you can make 3 sets up all together at the same time, so you can bulk make, which I really like the idea of. I don't sell my things, but I do have friends and family. I have family. So, and it's always nice to be able to make up gifts for them and have things for them to display them on as well. So that's those, which I'm really happy about. Okay. Oh, next up. Oh, I like these. These are really cute. This is a set of 3 coasters. And as you can see, they are, you could even call them beta fish or fancy goldfish. Fantail goldfish. Whichever you fancy. So, how'd you come? So there's the mould. I like the lovely fan on it. They're not very thick, but I think they'll be just nice little coasters, or even just little things on the side just to look at. So they look really pretty. So yeah, we can do some really cool things with the colours and some of the chameleon powders and flakes with this, I think, which will look absolutely stunning in this. So yeah, there's that to look forward to. Yeah, and the last thing, it's not a mould, guys, technically. It's Bezels. Now, I've not worked with Bezels for a long time. I started off with Resin, oh crikey, it's got to be about 12 years ago, and it was working with little bottles. They were literally little bottles about this. I've still got some. I still have them somewhere, and I will be testing them to see if they actually still work, because they're well over 10 years old, and I'm curious to see if they actually still work now. Don't know how well they'd turn out, but I'm just curious, because a lot of people say resin goes out of date. Well, I was just trying to find something. We're waffling there, and I was trying to find something to open me tub with. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video on that to see if you can use 10-year-old resin and still get away with it. Anyway, let's get back to this. So, come in their own little tub. I've seen these and felt in love with them. They look absolutely beautiful. So let's chuck them out. I don't normally like gold coloured things, but these just looked, oh, excuse me, too good to be true. So there's a butterfly one. Now what I like about these is they're completely flat on the back, but as you can see, if you can see, sorry, excuse my nails, they're terrible. They're like a dome on the front, and they partially cover the inside, if you get what I mean. I don't know what I'm like talking about, but anyway, that's the butterfly one. Then there's coral and starfish and little shells, scallop shells, whichever you want to call them. Then there's owls. Oh, they were adorable. Look at that. You got the parent adult, the adult, and the baby, and they go round the sides and sitting on branches. Is that the butterfly one again? Yeah. Coral. Oh, there's that one. Flowers, and the flowers are dipped in, so you could also put little bits of coloured resin in there, I should imagine, and that looked quite pretty as well. So that's 4 different ones so far. I'm not sure, I can't remember how many there were. There's this one with flowers in a circle and little circles. Oh yes, this one, maple leaves, absolutely beautiful. Now I've not seen bezels with it actually going over the top like this before, with a bit in the middle, so I was quite impressed with that. And this one, this is my favourite. This is what made me order them in out of everything. Cats, look at the little pussy cats. So you got 3 on the bottom and 3 on the top, upside down obviously, but pussy cats, they're so cute. So I'm guessing there's probably another one different. Is there? Owls, maple leaves, butterflies. Is it 7? No, it might just be 7 then. Okay, so it's 7, and I'm guessing there's what, 4 of each, is it? Yeah. So 4 of each, 28 altogether. And those are the bezels, and I think they're absolutely adorable. Is that really glary? Yeah, let me get a piece of paper, 1 second. Right, let's get a bit of paper and put them on there so it's not quite so glary for you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and I'm going to put them back on top of there and hopefully not drop them everywhere. So there we go, that's all 7 of them. And like I said, I'm really looking forward to giving these a try, because like, it's been a long time since I've worked with bezels, and I don't think I've actually ever worked, I really don't think I've ever done open back bezels. So that's going to be interesting, and especially considering they're open back with things over the top, so even more interest. So yeah, that's those. I'm excited about those, and that's the whole haul. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I've got coming up next soon, what goodies I've got to come, and if there's anything you'd like to see sooner rather than later, I still have the pens from a previous from quite a while that I have promised somebody I will do, and I will get around to it, I promise. But for now, if there's anything else, any of these that you want to see sooner rather than later, please just leave a message in the comments below, and I will try my hardest to get them done as soon as possible. But thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below. I'll leave links for all of these. There is a 10% discount, I do believe, from Beebeecraft. If you use the links I put below, they will know that you've come from my video, and they'll know that me sharing this is getting out there. But also there's lots of other discounts down below for other companies, and yeah, I hope to see you all soon and catch you for the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.